Look onto the case laws. Lalita Toppo versus State of Jharkhand and Anr. The appellant in this case was in live-in relationship out of which she had a child. The couple then fell apart and the appellant sought maintenance from her partner, which the family court of Gamlo allowed, awarding her Rs 2,000 and Rs 1,000 for the child per month from the partner. The partner made an appeal in the High Court, in which the court held the family court's decision to be erroneous and passed judgment in favor of the partner. The appellant then approached the Supreme Court. The three-judge bench consisting of the then CJI Ranjan Gogoi, Justice UU Lalit and KM Joseph observed that a live-in partner would be entitled to maintenance under the Protection of Women from the Domestic Violence Act 2005, despite the fact that she is not the legally wedded wife. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to Legal Bites.